Alright guys, so in this video we're going to do a quick trade breakdown on gold today. I made $6,200 on this trade. I took 5 lots, so I actually took very small size today, just 5 lots. And I'm going to continue to take just small size just to show people that hey, even with small size, I can still come every day and make good money trading. Gold has been very rewarding for us lately. So I'm going to show you this trade breakdown. I wasn't in this trade very long, maybe like 3 minutes at the most. But I did send a signal today for this in our VIP group. I said basically buying gold at 4560.66. Take profit 1, 2, and 3, 4563, 4566, and 4570. All 3 areas of take profit ended up hitting. We had a nice little squeeze to the upside. You could see from a transparency standpoint, live account entry, and then basically I closed out 1 lot and then I closed out the other 4. So I did scale out of this trade and I got in right basically a little bit after I sent the signal. So as well, everyone in the Discord, for those that are in the group, they made money. So some people made 130 bucks, some people made 5,000, so people made 130, 15, so it really varies. So this person here made over $500. So everyone's making money day in and day out, which is really makes me happy. It's very exciting. So basically with gold, I was watching this one because yesterday we had a big sell-off. So I was watching this area of 4563 basically push up over. I want to say basically push up over this high right here because we did have this big monster sell-off here. So I was watching this 4563 level because it basically peaked at this resistance right here. It was very interesting. Right here was like support, resistance, and it was basically lingering in this area as well. And then finally it broke through and then it retested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I was basically like, that was a target area where it basically hit multiple times. So jumped in there, rolled it to the upside, closed out of the trade, took my profit. You guys can see, closed out 1 lot, then closed out 4 lots. Total profit $6,200, 5 lots total. Fee is $35 on the day. So I mean $6,200, that's not bad. She did come down multiple times where I could have jumped in, and there's some people that missed the signal for the first time, but then they like re-jumped in it, rolled it up, re-jumped in it, rolled it up, because it basically just kept coming down, testing that entry, pushing up, testing down that entry, pushing up, testing that entry, pushing up. She did have a big sell-off here, and then I mean she just turned around and she just took off running. So I mean she's still running pretty good right now. There's some people that jumped back in this and they're riding it right now to the upside. So good job to them. But nonetheless, quick, easy trade day recap. Nobody goes broke taking profit. For those asking on gold, I use the 1-minute chart. If I'm trading like NAS 100 or US 30, those I'll use a 15-minute chart. So someone was asking me that in the Discord, I think it was. But so US 30, NAS 100, I am using the 15-minute chart for those. I use 15-minute chart for all the Forex pairs. But if I'm trading gold, guys, I'm just using the 1-minute chart on gold, just because that's the way I'm basically trading it. So nonetheless, like I said, quick easy day, quick easy trade recap. And I'll close out of this. Let me close out of this and bring my Trade Locker app over here, refresh it, just so you guys can see that yeah, this is a live account. So you guys can see right there, live account, and then obviously, yeah, I don't know, that's it for this video. So subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you guys think. If you guys are interested in joining the free Discord community, that link is below this video. We might change it to a different Discord in time because there's a lot of bots and spammers joining it, so we might have it more like a secured where you have to kind of like verify your email address, because like I said, there's just a lot of people joining it lately. They're just trying to scam people and spam it with a bunch of stuff. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.